Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Apple Reminders Smart Lists for daily productivity focus. Complete guide. To enable Apple Reminders Smart Lists for daily productivity focus, start by opening the Reminders app on your iPhone or iPad. Once inside the app, tap on the Add List option, usually found at the bottom right corner. Choose a name for your new list that reflects its purpose, like Daily Focus or To Do Today. Next, tap on your new list to open it. In the top right corner, tap on the three dots icon to access the list settings. Select Edit List from the menu that appears. Here, you will find options to customize your list further. You can set a color or an icon to easily identify it at a glance. Now, return to the main screen of the Reminders app. To add reminders, tap the New Reminder option at the bottom. Type in your task or reminder, and be specific about its details. To make it a smart reminder, tap on the calendar icon next to the reminder. Here, you can set a date or time for when you want to be reminded. Consider enabling the repeat feature if it's a task you need to do daily or weekly. Next, tap on Add Tags to categorize your reminder. Using tags helps you filter tasks later when you're looking to focus on specific areas of productivity. After adding the tags, you can also assign priority levels to your tasks. To do this, tap the exclamation mark icon and choose a priority level from none to urgent. Once you've set all your reminders, navigate back to the main screen. Tap on the Today Smart List to see everything due today. You can also create additional smart lists based on other criteria, such as tasks by priority or by tags. To create a new smart list, return to the main menu and tap Add List again. Repeat the process of naming and customizing as needed. Over time, adjust your smart lists to better suit your evolving productivity needs. Lastly, make it a habit to check your smart lists daily to keep focused on your tasks. With these smart lists set up, you are ready to enhance your daily productivity with Apple Reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.